Hi guys, and welcome to my unboxing about the Balila microphone. This microphone works with a lot of devices, from smartphones to actual professional cameras, so we'll take a look at this. Inside of the basic packaging we get this hard case, which will make traveling with this device worry-free. Here we get some protective material and an instructions manual. Inside of the actual pocket we have some cable in some plastic bags. Our review about this microphone is going to come later on, but initially this is just an unboxing fully recorded with the Balila microphone, so you can create yourself a first opinion about how this microphone sounds. This is the receiver. It's plasticky and feels cheap, but it gets the job done. And this is the actual transmitter. Here the materials are better since it's actually built out of metal. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one.